Hi there, and welcome to an episode of some Excel and some Access database. In this one, I just want to quickly show you how to dynamically pull data based on obviously a cell and what's in the cell from an Access database. So if I have a look at the query one, we're only pulling in that record that's appropriate to what we found in the cell. So for this instance, I have this character to choose. Then I've got Appy. If I change that to Caro, right, and I go over to my query, if I right click and just refresh at this point, it's going to pull in what's on the dashboard tab and refresh it to what's actually in the database. And now if I show you the database, this is it here. And as you can see, I've got 4 records. And each record has Carrot the carrot, Appy the apple, Nani the banana, and Brock the broccoli. And all we're doing is a like on the different character name in here. So if we go advanced here, sorry, not advanced, if we go to maybe the database tools, so down create, no, where am I looking again? Oh, sorry, wrong area. I'll go back here over to Excel, right click table, edit query. As you can see in the query, I'll just minimize this a little bit, make it a bit smaller. And now we go advanced editor. In here, what I'm doing is I'm creating a parameter. This parameter links to the cell in my Excel spreadsheet. So this is the line that sort of links to that. And the name of that cell is LU character. Okay. Then I have my source and my select query, and then inside my select query, I utilize that parameter. So as you can see, I've got a like statement in my SQL here. So anything of a like to whatever the parameter is. So if I go cancel and I quit this, and what I've done is on the drop down here, I've got a LU character name selection, and then that refers to this Caro. So when I click that, obviously we're referring to this property here. So I can just change this. So if I go BRC, for example, go back over to here, refresh. So I could set up a button to refresh this, and now we're pulling back broccoli straight away. It's a really cool, quick, and easy way to set up that dynamic choice of when you want to pull data back to a specific record. And using sort of the later more modern tech on Excel and querying that when you go, data, get data from a source or whatever. But yeah, I found it works really well when trying to utilize like dashboards and that. So yeah, anyway, thought I'd just touch on that one, something quick and easy and quick. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you when I do.